The 2010 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.